Hi guys, welcome to the lawnmower department. Today I'm gonna explain 3 different types of lawnmowers and their application. Here I've got the industrial lawnmower. It's 140cc. This lawnmower, you can work the whole day with it. It cools itself and it's a self-propelled. The second lawnmower I'm gonna tell you about is a non-intensive electric lawnmower. This lawnmower is a 33 centimeter cutting width. It's meant for the small places. Don't buy this and expect to cut the big areas. Only the small areas with this. The third lawnmower that I have, this is a Salino robotic lawnmower. This is my favorite lawnmower. So if you're wondering when you go to the holiday who's gonna cut your grass, this is the guy. This lawnmower is for the medium areas and cuts up to a maximum of 300 square meters. So if you're looking for a lawnmower, we've got a great range and we'll find the right one for you.